Hi guys, today we'll talk about some pharmaceutical questions. First question is asking about which one of the following is considered short-acting barbiturate. Short-acting. The answer that we have thiopental, secobarbital, amobarbital, and phenobarbital. So the right answer is secobarbital. Let's see. Yes, the right answer is B, secobarbital. This question is asking about which one of the following is considered ultra short. Ultra short, and I repeat it again, ultra short acting barbiturate with the same answers. Thiopental, secobarbital, amobarbital, and phenobarbital. Yes, the right answer is thiopental. That is the ultra short acting barbiturate. This question is asking about which one of the following is considered intermediate acting barbiturate. Intermediate. So the right answer will be amobarbital is the intermediate acting barbiturate. The last question is asking about which one of the following is considered long acting. Please be aware about what he's asking for. Long acting barbiturate with the same answers. Obviously that phenol rings have the long acting. So phenobarbital is the long acting barbiturate. Let's see the answer. Yes, it's the phenobarbital, the right answer. So I hope that you find it well and you understand it as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.